Hello my dear children of playgroup. We are going to learn about water animals. Water animal. This is what? Seahorse. Which animal is this? Water animal. This is seahorse. Okay, we call it seahorse. Look at the face, looks like horse. That is why it is named as seahorse. Seahorse, it's a tiny fish, and because of the head, it is called seahorse. Fine, children? Now this is another animal. What is this called? This is crab. Look here, the crab. They are in the water. Right? Yes. Okay, inside the sea water you will see crab moving. Right? This is water animal, crab. Let's move to the next one. This is another water animal. Okay, what is this called? Prawn. This is called prawn. Now you will see here prawn moving. Okay, look at them moving with the friends. This is water animal called prawn. Look at Let's move to the next water animal. Now this is another water animal. This is called whale. Okay, very huge, you can see. Yes, this is called whale. Look at this whale. Can you see how big it is? This is called whale, water animal. So children, watch this video. Whale is having a good time swimming in the water. Whale. So big. Now you see two whales are there. Okay, this is called walrus. Okay, this animal is called walrus. See here, walrus, two teeth. Okay, see how walrus, they are so heavy. How are they walking? You will find them in the cold area. So many of them are there. Walrus. Fine.
I hope you liked the video.